Salvete omnes, this is Mrs. Macy coming from the lair here in my basement. Today I'm going to show you how to complete the beginning of 3D review, 3D nouns and cases. So here we have numbers 1 and 2 and the choices that it gives you in the PDF. What I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how I choose the correct word, and then from there how we translate it, because you're going to choose the correct word and also translate. Number 1 says in agris errabant, and then there's a blank. What I have to do is ask myself, from the choices given, pueros, pueri, or puerorum, which one makes the most sense? Would it be pueros? In agris errabant pueros? Would it be pueri in agris errabant pueri, or would it be puerorum? So pueros is accusative plural, that's a direct object. Well, if there's a direct object, there needs to be a subject. Is there a subject in number 1? In agris is in the fields. Errabant is they were wandering. There's really no subject there. So I would choose pueri. And here's why. If I choose pueros, then I'd have to say they were wandering, the boys in the fields. And that doesn't really make sense. If I choose pueri, it's the boys were wandering in the fields, which is better. And puerorum is genitive plural, and nothing belongs to anyone in this sentence. So it's got to be pueri. And my translation is the boys were wandering, errabant, in agris in the fields. Next one, Cornelius multos blank habebat. So there's a clue in this sentence. Cornelius is obviously your subject, it ends in the US. Habebat is an imperfect verb, meaning used to have. Multos is an adjective, correct? It means many or a lot of. So that means there has to be something to go with that adjective. And whenever there's a noun and adjective pair, they have to agree in gender, case, and number, or GNC, gender, number, and case. So Cornelius used to have many what? All right, let's look at the gender, number, and case of multos. OS, well, that's second declension. That means it's masculine and plural. So let's look at the choices. Could it be canes, masculine accusative plural? It could. Let's see if anything else makes sense. Could it be servum? Well, it's accusative, but it's not plural, so it can't be servum. Could it be ankylos? That's accusative and it's plural. Hold on though. Multos is masculine and ankylos is feminine. Could it be amici? Well, it is masculine and plural, but it's not a direct object. So the only choice that makes sense is canes. Canes. And then the translation is Cornelius used to have many dogs. And that's how you start exercise review 3D. Walete. Peace.